Hi there, this video will walk you through the online ordering system for Sunglow. Designed to simplify the order submission process for dealers, our system allows you to easily create quotes for customers and submit orders for production. In addition to ordering window shades, you can also order marketing materials, samples, and review product specifications. In this video, we will cover the following topics: how to create an order, how to edit and access orders, reviewing your orders, shipping methods, installer options, quoting clients, and adding custom logo and text to quotes. How to create an order. Click the Orders button on the top right-hand side of the screen, then click Start New Order. From there, select your first shade type from the list of shade types, then enter a tag for the order so that you can reference the order in the future. Start by entering the basic shade details, such as shade name, how many of the shade you will be ordering, the sizing, the type of measurement used, and any additional instructions. From there, please select the fabric that will be used for the shade. Use the group and series filters to help narrow down which fabric you'll be ordering. The railroad option is available if the shade width exceeds the fabric roll width. When the fabric is selected, the render will change to reflect the selected fabric. The next step is to select the bottom bar for the shade. After bottom bar, please select the drive option. From there, please select the valance option. Lastly, please select any additional options from the advanced step. The dealer price and the MSRP are shown at the top of the screen. On the bottom left of the screen, the price breakdown drop-down is there to see how the shade is priced by option. After clicking Next from the last step, cart actions will appear. Finish and Add to Cart will add the shade to the cart, and Start New Shade will add the shade to the cart and allow you to add a new shade from scratch. Duplicate Shade will add the shade to the cart and duplicate the shade for editing. Once the shade is in the cart, the order can be reviewed. How to edit and access orders. In the top right corner of the page, you'll find the Order button, which provides access to all your orders. You can view both submitted and unsubmitted orders in this section. Orders are laid out by the date the order was first entered, the order tag, if the order is submitted or unsubmitted. On the right side, you can rename, duplicate, delete, and archive your orders. Deleted orders are not retrievable once deleted. Archived orders can be unarchived at a future date and is a useful feature in removing clutter from the order screen. You can search for orders using an order tag or filter them by categories such as All, Pending, Submitted, and Archived. Reviewing your orders. Clicking on the order will open the order in summary view. On this page, you can view the product details, including quantity, product type, room, dimensions, fabric, bottom bar, drive-in position, balance, price, and dealer price. Each line represents a separate shade on the order. For each line, you can click Options to see additional actions. Actions include the ability to move lines up or down on the list, duplicate the line, edit the line, or delete the line. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, and the total dealer price, which does not include tax or shipping. Also, on the order summary page is the toggle price button. The toggle price button lets you hide the dealer price and MSRP price. This will not only change your page view, but also affect the quote generated from this page. You can also select a shipping method and create a quote from this section. We will cover this in the next part of the video. Clicking Submit will submit the order to Sunglow for production. Clicking Save and Quit will bring you back to the orders page. The order summary can be printed by clicking the printer button on the top left. There is a drop-down to change which logo you would like on the order summary. Shipping methods for your orders. There are 3 different shipping methods available: free pickup at Sunglow, ship to another address, and add simple service. Free pickup at Sunglow. You can pick up your order for free at our address, 50 Hollinger Road. Ship to another address. To ship to a different address, fill in the contact information and ensure that the address is accurate. Don't forget to complete all required fields and save your information. Add simple service. Simple service is for Sunglow's installation services. You'll receive accurate measurements and hassle-free installation. Please verify that the site details, check measure, and installation details are correct, as these 3 sections will determine the total cost. Click Submit to add simple service to the order. Installer options on the detailed summary page. On the top left, next to Order Summary, there is a button for Detailed Summary. Clicking Detailed Summary will bring you to the Detailed Summary page. On the Detailed Summary page, you'll find all the necessary product details. At the bottom of each product, you will see options to duplicate, edit, or remove items, allowing you to customize the products on the page accordingly. On this page, you have the option to toggle the price breakdown, and installer print. Toggle price will hide both the dealer price and MSRP. Toggle price breakdown allows you to hide or reveal the base price, operation price, balance price, and miscellaneous price. Toggle installer print adds a section under each product that includes the mount, controls, width, length, depth, and notes. At the bottom of the page, you can choose a shipping method. Quoting clients on the quotes page. To access the quote page, please click on the quotes button on the upper left-hand side of the screen. You can use the quotes view to generate quotes for your clients. The quotes screen allows you to add a discount to the order's MSRP. Simply type the percentage discount in the discount field for each line. You can use the toggle price feature to hide the price and any discounts from the quote screen. Additionally, you can toggle on and off the dimensions for each line. Beneath the products, you will find the surcharge option. Surcharges are additional fees that you can include in the quote. To add a surcharge, enter the name and the dollar amount and click Save. You can choose a shipping method at the bottom of the page. To print a quote with your logo, please use the drop-down menu next to the print button to change the setting. You can also add the customer's name to print on the quotes page. Click the printer icon to print the page. Select Print as PDF to print the quote out as a PDF. How to add custom logo and text to your order quotes. Only manager accounts can adjust settings for their company. First, navigate to the Admin Control panel and select Quote Format. Here, you can manage your company logo and the text used at the bottom of your quotes. On the right side of the page, you'll see a preview of where your logo and text will be placed. Please ensure that you adhere to the image requirements when uploading your logo. Remember to save your changes before returning to the order summary page. You may need to clear cache and reopen the browser before the changes can be seen on the order screen. Thank you for watching this video. Sunglow is committed to supporting dealers in their sales processes and is continually seeking ways to innovate and enhance the dealer experience. For more tutorials, please visit our YouTube page and be sure to keep an eye on our newsletters for updates.